I'll need help. Well, welcome to LivvyLand. Welcome to LivvyLand.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jolene and this is LivvyLand. On today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing some Etsy pay. So let's go ahead and get started. If anybody is wondering where this pouch came from, my dad actually brought it back from the Philippines with him. My cousin had it made for me over there. And of course, anytime that I get some version of a pouch, I find a way to use it with my cash stuffing setup, which is very different than how I used to approach things. So I used to be obsessed with makeup and all those things, and I used to always look for makeup pouches, and now anytime that I get some version of a pouch, I use it as a cash pouch. So there you have it. Okay, let's go ahead and move that away and let's get this money counted. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So using $210 today to cash stuff, and I am only going to be cash stuffing business taxes in my business binder today, and the rest I am going to use to play savings challenges. Okay, and I don't know why I took that out, but okay, so into business taxes, I'm going to do 63, so I have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, and so now in business taxes I have 1,500, 50, 70, 90, 610, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, so 1,620. And what I'm going to do is I am going to take these five ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll put this 5 and I'm going to grab this 10. That way I have those ones for playing. Okay, so now I still have 1,500, 50, 70, 90, 610, and 620.
Daddy, I'm wrestling.
Okay, so that is it for the cash stuffing of that. And then we're going to go ahead and go into my savings challenge binders. I'm just going to put this behind me to get it out of the way. Okay, and for those that may be new to my channel, I have 2 just regular savings challenge binders. One contains challenges from other shops, and that's this one. And then this one only contains challenges from my own shop. I also do not play savings challenges in my shops that are my scratch offs. That's because I don't want to spoil the surprise element of the scratch offs for any of my customers, but I do happily play scratch offs by other shops, and that's actually what I start off with. Okay, so this one is by Angela with MSO Budgets, and yes, she has her own envelope that I created in my binder because she is one of my best friends in this cash stuffing community, and she has supported me from the very beginning, and so I have always had one of her challenges actively going in my binder from the very first moment I started cash stuffing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go for this one up at the top. And this is a mystery scratch off, even though this is a Christmas challenge. It will not be going to Christmas because I am fully funded for all of my Christmas, Black Friday envelopes for this year. Okay, so that is 12, so 10, 11, 12. And because this is a mystery savings, oh, here comes Livy, don't touch that. Go ahead and say hi if you want to.
Hi.
Okay.
Little dice.
Okay, go ahead. Get it out of your system. Okay, thank you. Okay, see ya.
What system?
So 10, 11, 12. What system? Since this is a mystery scratch off, I'm just gonna do one because I have a smaller amount than what I normally play with. So now in this one I have 10, 20, 1, and 2. So this will end up going to some other sinking fund. And I do have one other scratch off, and this is a new one that I am starting in my binder, and this is from A Little of It All. And this also is a mystery scratch off. So let's go for this pink one because pink is one of my favorite colors. Okay, so we have 6 to start off with. And I think I will go for one more. So I'm going to go for this other pink one. Okay, so that is 3. And we'll go ahead and stop there. So that's a total of 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Get that one started. Okay, and then the next ones that I like to go towards are anything that are unpredictable. Dice rolls, card challenges, if I have any that I'm playing with a deck of cards. But I'm going to go ahead and go to this one here. This is a pull tab challenge, and this is by Upscale Currency. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the bottom one here to see what we uncover. So that's 5. And I think I will pull one more. Let's go for this blue one and we'll leave the green one. So that's 6. So 5 and 6. I think I will grab these 2 5s and I'll grab this 10. So we're adding 11 to this one today. And so now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 48, and this is going to save 75. Okay, and then I think I just have, yeah, I have a dice roll in mind, but we're gonna go ahead and play other shops first. So I am first going to go back to this one here, and this is the I Feel Savings Challenge, and this is by Budgeting Introvert. Let me get my marker ready, and I only have 5 rounds left to go. And so with this one, I just roll a 6-sided die, and so 1 through 6, you roll 3 times, and you total that up to determine how much you're gonna stuff. Okay, so a 5, 1, and 6. So total of 12. Oops. 10, 11, 12. To go again, I will do it. So 4, 3, and 2. So 9. So we'll put this one back and grab another 10. So 21 this round. And so now in this challenge, I have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 174. And once we get through all the challenges, and if we can come back, I will come back to this one because I feel like I've been playing it forever. Okay, then we're gonna go up to this next dice roll one by Penny Palette Studio. And with this one, as I get this challenge out here, It's called addition by subtraction, and so how you play this one is if you roll an even number, I add the two numbers together. If I roll an odd, I subtract. And so I've been actually keeping track in between the numbers to know whether I'm adding or subtracting. So let's go ahead and roll. Okay, so that is an even, or that's an odd, sorry. So we are going to subtract. So I have an 8 minus 3, so that's 5. And we'll go again. So that again is an odd, so we're going to subtract. This is 9 minus 4, so we have 5. So I'm just going to put that 5 back and add that 10. And we'll go one more time. Hopefully we don't get a even, and of course we got an even, so that is plus. So that's 15. So 10, 15. So this one saved 25 this time. All right, so now in this one I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 35 after, or 30, 39 after game number 1. And then there's 4 different sections. So we consider this one complete. Ooh, okay, let me put the money in first, then I'll put the challenge in. Okay. Then I do have dice roll over in mine. I know that one's going to require this green marker. I'm going to push my vacuum back because I don't need that right now. All right. Swap these around. Oops. Okay, so I do have, actually, I like to do this one just so that I can do, I'm working from largest to smallest. I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, a little over 60. I'm just gonna grab a $10 one this time. Well, actually, I'll do 15. 15. And this is my get over credit card debt that will save $500 when complete. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. I have completed all the $30 increments on the challenge. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go up to this one. This is my snack and roll, or my snack attack. In this one, you just roll a 6-sided die and you mark it off to see whether the salty or sweet snacks are going to, which one's going to win. Once you get to the bottom, there are numbers 11 through 16 down here. So as you roll, you save that amount. And then when you get to the bottom, whichever one wins, then you save that additional total. You can choose to stop the challenge there, or you can keep going to find out who wins second, third, so forth, and do a blackout. Entirely up to you. I haven't quite decided yet how I am going to play. Okay, so 1, so the popcorn is still in the lead. So 1. 1 again. So 4 donuts. So we'll put a 1 back and grab a 5. And that's a 6. So we're going to end up stopping there. So 5 and 6. So 5, 10, 11, 12. And add that to what's going on in this challenge already. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 6, 7, 8. So 38. Dry. Okay, and that is it for the rolling challenges. Then the next one I'm going to do is my Saved by the Bell, because this one has a little higher amounts. And the next lowest is 19. But can't really afford that today, so we're going to do, I'm going to do 12 because it is my favorite number. So 10, 11, 12, and combined with this, now I have 20, 30, 1, 2. Then we're starting this one off. This is my Make a Wish. This will save a total of 55, a lower denomination challenge. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So let's go ahead and we have 7 is the highest denomination, so we'll do a 7 and a 3 for 10. So 5 and 10 to get this one started. Save that one, save that one, that one. Still need to do my building blocks. And with this one, I think I'm just going to finish off the $5 denominations here. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we'll do the 5 ones. So 10, 20, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So I finished off that block. Now I'm just going to double check and make sure I've played all of the ones in here. The only one I did not do is this very back one, but that one is just a catch-all. And I have $15 left. Played that one, played that one, played that one, played that one. We have this. So the highest that I could get is 6 times 3, which is 18. I do not want to chance it. So let's go ahead. I want to add this 15 to my Get Over credit card debt because that one is a higher total. So we're going to go ahead and cross off another $15. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Added to this chunk 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 90. So 190. Okay, well, I have run out of money to play with today for my savings challenges. If you haven't already, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!